Welcome to Watson Lake, Prescott, Arizona.
Aerial footage filmed with the DJI Mini 4 Pro using ND 256 filters.
Woo! We are out here at Watson Lake today in Prescott, Arizona. It's a Sunday, Memorial Day weekend, and we're struggling out here. We're gonna die, probably, maybe, but it's a beautiful hike. You gotta check it out. I think I'm an hour in now, climbing stuff like this. So this is what you should expect on your Watson Lake trail. I mean, we're looking at some pretty good stuff here. Definitely need your hiking boots. And what do you know? Huge ecosystem thriving in the middle of these rocks. I mean, this is pretty cool stuff for the climate we're in. So if you're thinking about Watson in May, June, probably a good idea. Spend a couple hours out here.
Thank you so much for tuning in today, and don't forget, if you like it, subscribe it.